here we have got a scope, but since the planting team have come through, it's slightly hidden, so we're not getting any light where we'd like it. So what we're gonna do is take that one out. We're gonna use one of the riser too, so we can raise it up above the planting. This is telescopic, so if you're putting it into a garden, you can raise it as the planting matures. We'll get this one changed over and show you guys what it looks like. So to swap over the riser, what we're going to do is take the scope off of here, off of the bracket. We will then use the little Allen key that comes in with the scope to remove the sort of bracket from the spike. We will then pop one of these ones here, which is like a little adapter, onto the top of there. Then the bracket will thread onto the top of this one. Fitting goes onto there, and our ground spike goes in the bottom. Then we'll trail the cable down through there, out through the bottom, connect it to the easy lock, and away we go. So as you can see here, we've taken a standard scope that sits just on a small spike like that. We've added one of the telescopic risers, spike in the bottom there. We've got our cable through, ready to go onto our easy lock. And then very carefully, we will nestle it into the planting here, pop it into the ground. The team can obviously adjust this once all of the planting is finished and they're dressing the stand.